Hello world, welcome to another PSP POV. Today I am in Shanghai. I'm downtown, going to check out some of the skyscrapers here. I don't come here often, so should be a good chance for me to use my 14mm f1.8 Sony lens on my Sony a7R4. Should get some very interesting shots. I'm shooting in aperture priority. I'll definitely play around with different aperture settings, trying to get a lot of these impressive buildings in focus. So if you've ever seen photos of Shanghai, you've probably seen the Oriental Pearl TV Tower. It is an impressive work of architecture. I try not to photograph it too often just because I've seen it so many times. It's really difficult to go downtown and not see the Oriental Pearl. But I don't often come here with my 14mm lens, so I want to try to get some different shots, check out some different perspectives that I haven't really looked at before. I don't know if I'll get anything outstanding, but try. One issue with my 14mm lens is so wide. I can get right up close to something and still get the entire thing in the frame. I know this isn't exactly an inspired photo, but I'm just trying to get my bearings, decide where I want to head. Alright, I'm gonna pause so I get past the noise. Alright, I found a higher level. And this is a super touristy area. A lot of tourists come here, especially business people. And they take photographs of the massive buildings. And obviously the China Pearl TV Tower is a large attraction. I'm sure this roundabout would be much more impressive at night. But I really have no intention of coming here during the most crowded times. what is possibly the most popular Apple store in Shanghai. It's right over there. But being that I am not an Apple user, I don't go there. Super Brand Mall. I believe this is one of the major luxury malls here in Shanghai. I do like these sculpted elephants. I know I should change my camera's autofocus to animal, but I think I can still get decent photos of these elephants without it. I'd like to use these leading lines to lead up to the Oriental Pearl, but I don't think I'm gonna do a very good job. Nope. Yeah, that's one thing I'm definitely not good at, is using leading lines. Okay, gonna take a break and probably switch lens. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break and switch lenses to my 50mm. It turns out that I lied. Instead of the 50, I threw on 85mm f1.4. Anytime you change lenses, especially outside on the street, you really should take a moment to blow off all of the dust. And water. Spray, especially if you're in a place like China where they are constantly cleaning the streets. All right, this is gonna be a stupid shot. Maybe I should have kept my 14 on a little longer. Yeah, I can imagine this would be much cooler with the lights on. I jokingly posted, well, half jokingly posted on my Instagram that when I'm feeling antisocial, I start shooting architecture. That's only partially true, I guess. The truth is, I really don't like shooting buildings. I think I'm not good at it. See, like a shot like this, from the naked eye, it looks kind of interesting, but when I line up the camera, it just seems a muddled mess of objects. Not interesting at all. This is interesting. I guess I can go up here. Well, no one's yelling at me, so I guess it's okay. Sometimes gates and fences are just a suggestion. This area on the other side of the river is the Bund. It's the old banking center, the old financial district. Now it's a very touristy area. Not super thrilled or interested in shooting those buildings just because I've seen them, shot them many, many times. I will shoot the man shooting them. I don't know. So often I don't like my composition when I take the photo and I have to crop it. You're probably only going to see the best one, or the one I liked. Not all of them. All right, I'm going to take one more shot of some seagulls. Did I say one? I meant two. And now I'm out of here. All right, until the next one. Auf Wiedersehen. Sayonara. Hasta la vista. 再见. Bye bye.